Hey everyone, it's Zelda.
And Tony.
TandZRVLife. We've been gone for a little bit. Yes, we have. But we've had some interesting things happen. But before we get into that, thank you so much for hanging in there. Our new subscribers and the ones that have been with us since the beginning. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But we have a heat wave right now. It's made it to 40 degrees, and I'm so thankful because we had 2 weeks? Maybe
2 weeks.
Maybe a little longer of below freezing temperatures, and we had frozen pipes, mainly one in the bathroom, the hot water. So we had to do our bathing at the sink. Just washing up, you know. It was something. It was frozen for a little while, but we dealt with that before when we were in Oregon, but not like
this.
No, this is a different type of a cold.
This is bitter cold.
Yeah. It was extremely cold, and then
Bone chilling cold.
and what made it worse, the heat went up. We had, you know what? We still didn't get those sale switches, did we?
No.
I got to call them. So, the sale switch, and we have a video that we've done on that where we had to replace it. We didn't actually replace it. We cleaned it, and it's working. Thank God, it's working fine now. But we had one night. Was it just one night without the heat, or 2?
One night without the heat.
One night.
Then we had to go buy an air compressor to blow everything out, get everything cleaned up.
Yes.
From people hair, because we don't have a pet.
Oh, you going there?
Anyway, we not
My
gonna
hair
get it long.
is covered, but
we
not
had
the
our
shower
issues.
though. It's like,
We didn't have to go to the hotel because they didn't have a toilet.
oh yeah, our toilet.
Frozen pipes.
Michael put his foot on the toilet. This was New Year's Eve, and
No, 2 days before New Year's.
the 30th. The 30th, yes. He put his foot on the toilet, and the foot pedal broke, so you couldn't flush the toilet. And we're in a town that there's no RV parts where you could just swing up to the RV shop and get a toilet. We had to order it off of Amazon. Love my Amazon. But it wasn't going to get here for a week. And we stayed in a hotel for a week.
6 days.
And you saw that video. You saw the one. We talked about that.
That's when the problem started.
Yes, so it was the toilet.
Michael put his big foot on it sideways and broke it. Then the pipes freeze
Then the
up.
pipe freeze. Then the heat went out.
Then the heat goes out. Then the pipes freeze back up.
Yes. Then the microwave died.
Then she killed the microwave.
Oh, look. The battery is dying. Okay.
Now the camera battery is dying.
We're back. I'm glad the battery died because I realized I don't know where I put my other 2 batteries for my Canon camera, and I have to find them because those batteries are expensive. So, yeah, so
She have bought so much stuff she can't keep up with what she have.
Yeah, I have. I am a shopaholic.
She bought a labeler.
I
But
did.
yet, nothing is labeled.
That's a that's a spring project. I'm going to label everything. I love the labeler. Actually, Michael's used it before I have, and I said I was going to label where I have everything in the shed for me because I have all my sewing supplies. I have my baking, well, not baking, crock pots, because I love crock pots. I'm addicted to crock pots, and
But she have to use them.
I do. Y'all saw it in the last video. I used it for my acorn. I know. It was a complicated recipe. You put the acorn squash in the pot and you got to turn it on. That was very challenging. But I got it in there and I made me some nice acorn squash and it was delicious. But he's right. I do have to use it a little bit more. I just don't want to go out into the shed because Michael has kind of
You need
made
to,
a
she need to
whirlwind
do
in there.
a video on that.
Yeah, that would be cool. Y'all need to see.
We got a nice shed. You can take 3 steps in it. My son got it destroyed. Can't find nothing. With shelves in it.
Yes.
With containers.
Yes.
But he got everything thrown around in there. Can't find nothing.
I know. Teenagers.
And she's still buying, throwing it in there.
I know. Yeah, I'm not turning the camera around so y'all see the table.
That's what she should do.
No.
Show you the table.
No.
Popcorn, crock pots, everything on the table. I clean it up today. It get messed up tomorrow. Because her and Michael, they put it right there in that spot. It's clean.
I know. But I'm working on that. But that's been our winter-ish time. Is just things that you do in the RV. Tony's been cooking up a storm like what you saw. He did most of that. Did you do half and half outside and inside? It depended on how.
No, it's too damn cold to be outside now. Oh no.
Yeah, well the wings you
I've
did.
been cooking inside.
Yeah, oh, I got this Bluetooth in my ear. The wings you did outside.
Yes.
Yeah, but everything else was done inside, and it's just you do everything in the RV that you do in your own home. It's just on a smaller level. Yeah, smaller level.
Small level.
Yeah.
Inquiry minds want to know the smaller level part.
I know. I'm working on it. But we miss you guys, and we just wanted to say hi. We will be doing videos a little bit more regularly. I don't know how regular yet because we're just getting back in the swing of things, and just want to say hi. And Amaya says hi. She's walking all over the place. She doesn't say grandma yet, but you know, she comes straight to grandma. She loves her grandma, and we got to get her in another video. So the next video, hopefully we'll have her here and you can see her. And she actually loves the camera. It wasn't from me.
Too much
from
loving
her
the
mom.
camera.
That, you know, that. But
the teenage thing.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Yeah, that teenage selfie. I got to do a selfie. And so that's what the baby does. She grabs the phone and swipe right. I'm like, oh Lord, this is not good. Not my phone. But anyway, we will see you on the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that like button. Please do. Share the video. And we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.